Hi, in this video I will show you how to install content lockers on the example of WordPress website and HTML code. First, log into the panel and then go to the Content Locker tab. To add a CPA locker to the WordPress page, select the middle icon of the code to paste into your website. Now you can see the content of the code to use. Copy it and go to your WordPress-based blog. Log in and go to the page where you want to put the content locker. Choose to edit the page, add a block and select Custom HTML. Now paste the code copied from the panel. We can also decide to add a locker manually to the HTML code. Let's open a sample HTML file to your website. If the locker is displayed after clicking, we have to remember to add a script and button that will open the locker. In the movie description, you will find a link to the blog where I posted all the codes I use. Next, we will add the ID that we can find in the locker panel and another script to be found under the icon of the code to paste into your website. Don't forget to add HTTP. In my case, I want to add a locker that will run after a certain time, after a second. Therefore, it is enough to paste the script copied from the panel. We wait a second and the locker appears. To add a Captcha Locker to a WordPress page, the order of actions is similar. Select the icon of the code and paste into your website. Copy it and go to your blog. After logging in and going to the sub-page, add a block, select Custom HTML and paste the code from the panel. Likewise, we also can add a locker manually to the HTML code. After adding the right script, we add another script, which we also copy from the panel. Don't forget to add HTTP. To add a file locker, select the icon of the code to paste into your website, copy it and go to your blog. After logging in and going to the sub-page, add a block, select Custom HTML and paste the code from the panel. We also have to note that some lockers have neither iframe nor script options, so we have to add iframe manually. This is why we write iframe before CTR of the code. Without it, the locker won't work. In my case, the code is as follows. Remember that you can find this code on the blog. If you want to add the locker manually to the HTML code, add the script copied from the panel. Don't forget to add HTTP and iframe before CTR. That's all. Please watch videos in which I will explain how to configure content lockers and how to prioritize partner programs in each locker. See you soon!